Hi, thanks for checking out ArcPoint. My name is Jared. In the next 60 seconds, I'm going to show you how to forensically wipe a drive with ATRIO. So what you're going to do is you're going to select wipe format, and you're going to choose 1 pass or 3 passes. Come back, connect your drive to the wipe output port on the front, and hit go. It's that simple. Before I do that though, I want to mention you have the option for 1 pass, which will do zeros across the entire drive, or the option for 3 passes. This wipes according to the DoD 5220.22-M standard. So it'll do 3 passes and then a verification. You'll also notice that the other keys may be selected until you come in and select wipe, and then they are automatically unselected so that there's no conflict. And then you'll select your pass and go. You'll notice that it will indicate the standard that it's wiping to, as well as the percentage completion. And when it's done, it'll indicate that it's 100%. It still may take a few minutes to clear out its buffer, but it will indicate that the wipe is done. The cancel button will turn back to a green go, and your drive is completely wiped. Let's go ahead and take a look at this. So I'll plug this into my system now. We can see that the disk needs to be formatted because there's no file system, no partition table, nothing on there. And we can also see here, I ran hex dump against the drive, and you can see here that it is zeros all the way through the entire drive. And that's how easy it is to wipe a drive with ATRIO. Thank you.